Here I have my Bellemain can opener. Take a look. This is such a beautiful design. I love the quality of it. Also love that it has the grips right here so you could go ahead and turn it. Take a look. It is a stainless steel can opener. I do like that it has this right here. As you could see as I press it, this little hook, this is going to help safely remove the lid so you don't cut yourself if you're trying to remove it with your hands. I absolutely love this additional feature. I'm going to go ahead and open a can for you and just show you how simple it is to use this can opener. All right, y'all, so I'm opening my can of cherries. This is actually the first time that I'm using this, so I was actually quite surprised. I wasn't sure if it was opening up the can because it was so smooth. I did notice that on the side of the can, there was little ridges. If you look closely, the little ridges are appearing on the can. This is definitely different than your typical can opener. I'm going to go ahead and use the safety feature and grab hold of the lid. Once you grab the lid, press on the button and boom, just like that, releasing the lid from the can. Take a look, no sharp edges. It was such a smooth, clean open. I was definitely shocked how clean that can was open. Take a look. I'm showing you the ridges, just a quick close up. I'd highly recommend 10 out of 10.